Okay, for today's lesson, we're going to have some fun with two classic 60s, 70s type grooves, funk grooves. And they're basically 16th notes. And I'm going to kind of change them around and give them a swing feel and combine them both with 16th notes and triplets. Okay, so let me go over the first groove with you. And again, these are two classic grooves that I've heard through for many years. So first one, 16th, and they're both 16th notes, and they have one snare hit, and it's on the count of 4. Okay, so the first one's got 4 accents. 1, 2, 10, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I get that worked up. Okay, so that rhythm has been used in a lot of different songs. The second rhythm is a rhythm that I remember first hearing on a Steve Miller album called Swingtown. Let me do it real slow for you. 1. So you're going to notice on this one, as you get going faster, it's kind of a challenging part, especially on the of 1 with the bass, because right-handers don't like to have the left hand and the bass drum hit at the same time. So you've got to really make sure that when you do this rhythm, if you did just the hands, and then you added the bass drum, it should be like two separate parts where the hands are independent from the feet. So let me get that worked up. I take those 2 patterns and I do them 2 times. That would sound like this. And then I came up with this where I do the same type of groove, but I have my right hand on the hi-hat and keep my left on the snare. And when it's time to hit the snare on the count of 4, I'll bring my right down. That would sound like this. Okay, and then in the second part of the exercise, I go from a 16th note feel into an 8th note triplet feel, where I take those rhythms and I give them a triplet feel. So let me show you the first one, and I'll do just the hands on this. Bass drum. And then I put quarter notes on the hi-hat. Okay, and then the second pattern, let me do just the hands. With the bass drum. And then I add the hi-hat, quarter notes. Okay, so just like the first part, I do each one 2 times. That would sound like this. Okay, so I do, with the triplet feel, what I do is I take those accents and I apply them to the toms.